All right, boys and girls, I am going to give you instructions for our game that we are going to play today as our subtraction review. So, the first thing for you to know is that you will need to be in groups of 2. Okay, you'll be in a partnership. If there needs to be some groups of 3, that is okay. Every single student will need one of these papers. Okay, this is your board that you're going to keep track of your math on. And every single student will need a snowball fight piece of paper. You only need one spinner board for each group, okay? So when it is partner one's turn, also every group will need a paper clip and a pencil. Okay, so when it is player one's turn, player one will stick their paper clip right here and hold it in with a pencil. Okay, you can have the teacher show you how to do this, and then you flick the paper clip and it will point towards a number. The number that it's pointing towards is 27. Okay, so that is my first spin. On my game board, I see right here there's a spot to write my first spin. I spun a 27. Okay, then that same partner gets to spin again for their second spin. Okay, so here we go. Okay, this time it landed on 53. So next to my second spin, I'm going to write 53. You can see that I've done that right there. Then you are going to subtract these two numbers. You need to put the greater number on the top. Okay, so the greater number is 53, so I'm going to write that on the top. And I'm going to write 27 on the bottom. Okay, then you will solve that problem. Your partner can help you solve it. So for me, I'm going to look at the ones column. I realize that I have more on the bottom, so I need to borrow from next door. So I'm going to cross out that 5. I'm borrowing a group of 10, so instead of 5 groups of 10, there will be 4 groups of 10. And I'm taking that group of 10 and I'm bringing it over to the ones. So now I need to add 10 over here. So now I have 4 groups of 10, 13 ones. I need to do 13 minus 7. Does anybody know what that is? Good. 6. Is that what you said? Okay, then I need to subtract the 10s. Okay, so I have 4 minus 2, which is 2. Okay, so your answer is 26. Once you have your answer, you can come over here to your snowball fight board and find a snowball that says number 26. Then you get to color it in. Okay, so then you get to color in just the snowball that matches your answer. Okay, so 26 was my answer, so I colored in 26 for the snowball. Now you'll notice that some numbers are repeated. For example, 12 and 12. You may only cross off or color in one snowball at a time. Even if your answer was 12, only color in one of the number 12 snowballs. Okay, your goal is to color as many snowballs as you can. Now, here's another rule. Let's say I took my turn, I got 26, I colored in my snowball, my partner took a turn, and then I spun the spinner again. If I were to get 27 and 53 as my numbers, I would lose a turn. Okay, so if you get both numbers the same on a spin, you lose a turn. Okay, all right. I hope you have fun playing this game, practicing your subtraction. Please ask the teacher if you have questions, if you're confused. If you get an answer wrong here, you'll know it's wrong because you won't be able to find the number on the snowball. Okay? Only correct answers are in the snowballs.